Good day, everyone. Today, we are going to present our project entitled Remote Controlled Plant Sprinkler from Used Solenoid Valves with Nighttime Motion Monitoring. My name is Carl Jasper Manalon, together with my team, Ms. Eloisa De Castro, Mr. Rodel Izer De Boda, Mr. John Zelwin Esguerra, and Mr. Adam Hernandez. With the growing need for efficient and automated irrigation, our project aims to provide a cost-effective and sustainable solution by repurposing solenoid valves and integrating remote control features. Additionally, it includes nighttime motion monitoring to enhance security and efficiency in irrigation systems. To better understand the significance of this project, let's first take a look at the problem it aims to address.
For the first problem is inefficient water usage in irrigation. Current irrigation methods often waste water due to factors like evaporation and improper distribution. Second is lack of remote control and automation in irrigation. Traditional irrigation systems often require manual operation and lack the ability to be controlled from distance or operate automatically. Third is security concerns in agricultural and garden areas. Farms and gardens are vulnerable to theft and intrusions, especially at night.
So, ito yung solution na isip namin. So, ang una is mag-utilize kami ng mobile app para ma-remotely control ni user ang sprinklers. Next is mag-implement kami ng ESP32 microcontroller para ma-receive ni user yung commands and makipag-communicate siya with the relay module. Next is mag-employ kami ng relay module para ito yung magsisilbing activation para sa solenoid valve, allowing the water to flow from the reservoir through the hose to the sprinklers. And lastly is mag-integrate kami ng motion sensor para ito yung magiging silbing security since pag nakadetect siya ng movement is matitrigger agad yung alerts and safety mechanisms.
So for our proposed solution that has a features that you can turn on the number of sprinklers, then a notification tab. And for our hardware components, we have a ESP32 microcontroller that is connected to the PIR sensor, the refurbished solenoid valve typically found in broken washing machine, and a hose, and that is connected to the water source, which is the valve.
So moving on with our poster. So our poster visualized our remote controlled plant sprinkler system that utilize repurposed solenoid valves. It features automated irrigation control via mobile application, allowing users to manage water distribution efficiently. Additionally, the system incorporates nighttime motion monitoring for security and efficiency. The application areas include agricultural farming, smart farming, urban gardening, public parks, and environmental conservation. This innovation aims to enhance the irrigation efficiency while promoting a sustainability and automation in water management. And that concludes our video presentation.